Galilee. There's something.
Okay, so let's just do a review of what has actually happened in in this market right here. So let's number one, what were the factors that allowed us to know that this was going to be a market maker buy model? Let's come here, Forex Factory. I don't think this is casting on my screen though. Okay, okay, very good. So what's today's date? Today is Tuesday. So for the US news, there is no what's it called? Red folder. There's no red folder news. Let's filter all this out. None. Then only the USD. Apply filter. So for the USD news, this was all there is. There was medium impact news. So this medium impact news and also this medium impact news. So anytime there is only medium impact news, we always expect pre-market to do what? Pre-market to actually start a move that will take us into the New York session. So around 8 a.m. there was this large dump downwards. So after that dump of sweeping sell side liquidity, let's go on the higher time frame to actually look at that. So dump, sell side liquidity got swept, then the dump continued to where this sell side liquidity here. Let's mark that out. So that will be in our chart also. Strong like a fire. So sell side liquidity got taken out there. Let's see, 15 minutes. So okay, yes, perfect. So this sell side liquidity here got swept, then a reversal started. So after sell side liquidity got swept, right there, you get what? A low, a high, then a lower low. Then you start looking for what? This place here, this fair value gap here to support price higher. So when we see that, also give us a little bit of breakaway gap here. So one could be buyer, total suit buyer, right here,
Yeah?
right here.
Yeah, think I'm gonna 5 minutes.
What do we like to see? What do we like to see when price is actually bullish? We like to see what? Break away, break away gaps. So we like to see breakaway gaps right there. So right there, this here, this low to this candle here, including the volume imbalance, breakaway gap. Here, here, breakaway gap. Also a breakaway gap. So this here showing some strong signs of bullish order flow. And if you observe right here, what's going on with this? Okay, let's draw that out in time. After price traded above the breaker, price came to retest the breaker, right here. Immediately touch the opening price, starts to trade away, giving another breakaway gap. And price just traded a little bit institutional order flow entry drain above this inversion fair value gap. Let me take off the breaker so we can see that very clearly. Let me remove this also. So this
Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with.
so we get our inversion fair value gap. Again, we hear him first, then traded, this came back, this the top of it as support. Also a fair value gap just a little bit over here. Use that to support price higher. Then also this fair value gap. So this to support price higher. Then failed to do what? Let's get a little bit close here. Get a little bit detailed. What are we saying? A fair value gap right here. Failed to do what? And this is the inversion fair value gap also. Price did what? Failed to close below consequence encroachment, showing some strong signs of bullish order flow. Then created what? Another block right here, just above the inversion fair value gap. After creating a fair value gap, then price did what? Came back to tap into it, then started displacing higher also, just like that. And this right here is algorithmic. It's not a coincidence that where price used to support was also used as another block. And if you look at the bodies of these candles right here, all of them did not even drop back down inside this inversion fair value gap. They all stayed well above it, and until price displaced away from it. Then we came into the 9:30. Then price became a little bit wonky and choppy. Price was hanging around a little bit, but still the idea was still there. Still kept on buying because yeah, right here, these are the equal highs over here. So around 10:36, we tagged the equal highs, and we should be done for that right there. And that's the market review of